Beneath the shadow of China's massive economic engine lies a terrifying reality that keeps military planners in Washington awake at night. The People's Liberation Army is no longer just a massive infantry force. It has evolved into a high-tech, near-peer military superpower. Today, we count down the absolute best weapons in China's arsenal, a lethal collection of hardware built to challenge global dominance and secure the dragon's reign. Number 20. QSZ-191 Assault Rifle, the new claws of the Red Dragon, a modern service rifle moving away from old designs into a new era of infantry combat. Weapon type: assault rifle. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: standard issue infantry weapon for the modern PLA, replacing the older QSZ-95. Key features: the QSZ-191 drops the old bullpup design for a highly ergonomic conventional layout. It features a full-length Picatinny rail for advanced optics, incredible reliability in extreme environments, and superior mid-range accuracy. Number 19. QSZ-92 Pistol, the Guardian at the hip, a reliable sidearm engineered for maximum armor-piercing capability in close quarters. Weapon type: semi-automatic pistol. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: secondary weapon for officers, military police, and elite special forces. Key features: tailored specifically for ergonomic comfort. Its standout feature is the 5.8mm variant, designed to punch through standard body armor. It offers low recoil, high reliability, and rapid deployment when every second counts. Number 18. QYJ-201 Light Machine Gun, the Reign of Lead, a next-generation squad automatic weapon built to suppress enemies without mercy. Weapon type: light machine gun. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: squad-level automatic support, providing sustained suppressive fire to pin down enemy forces. Key features: utilizing lightweight polymers and advanced alloys, it allows infantry to carry it across harsh terrain easily. It features a highly reliable belt-fed system that prevents jamming and accepts advanced night vision optics for 24/7 combat capability. Number 17. HJ-12 Red Arrow 12, the Tank Killer, a shoulder-fired missile that makes Western armored divisions think twice. Weapon type: man-portable anti-tank guided missile. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: giving standard infantry the power to destroy the most advanced main battle tanks on Earth. Key features: China's direct answer to the American Javelin. It is a true fire-and-forget system featuring a top attack mode that hits tanks where their armor is thinnest. Once locked and fired, the operator can immediately seek cover. Number 16. PGZ-09, the Iron Dome of the battlefield, a mobile air defense system keeping enemy drones and choppers at bay. Weapon type: self-propelled anti-aircraft gun. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: protecting mobile armored columns from low-flying threats like attack helicopters and loitering munitions. Key features: armed with twin 35mm autocannons, boasting a devastating rate of fire. It integrates its own search and tracking radars, creating an impenetrable wall of flak that shreds anything flying too close. Number 15. ZBD-04A Infantry Fighting Vehicle, the Mechanized Spearhead, an armored chariot delivering firepower and troop protection right to the front lines. Weapon type: infantry fighting vehicle. Country of origin: domestically produced within China, featuring an upgraded turret design based on licensed Russian technology. Primary role: transporting infantry safely through heavy combat zones while offering overwhelming fire support. Key features: it packs a unique punch with a 100mm gun and a 30mm autocannon in a single turret. Combined with heavy frontal armor capable of deflecting armor-piercing rounds, it dominates both enemy infantry and light structures. Number 14. PLZ-05 Self-Propelled Howitzer, the god of land warfare. a massive artillery system ready to rain down absolute devastation from afar. Weapon type: self-propelled howitzer. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: delivering long-range heavy artillery support to smash enemy command centers and fortifications. Key features: it's armed with a massive 155mm cannon, and it can fire laser-guided and satellite-guided shells over 30 miles away. Its semi-automatic loader allows rapid firing bursts before quickly relocating to avoid counter-battery fire. Number 13. GJ-11 Sharp Sword. The Invisible Blade, a stealth combat unmanned aerial vehicle engineered to slip past enemy radars unnoticed. Weapon type: stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: penetrating deep into highly defended enemy airspace to conduct precision strikes on high-value targets. Key features: its flying wing design offers an incredibly low radar cross-section. Carrying its payload in internal weapon bays, it can execute high-stakes bombing missions without risking a pilot's life. Number 12. PHL-16 Multiple Rocket Launcher. The Grid Eraser, a long-range rocket system capable of turning entire military bases into a sea of fire. Weapon type: multiple rocket launcher system. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: delivering devastating, massive artillery strikes across vast theater distance. Key features: one of the longest-range rocket systems in existence. It can launch 370mm guided rockets or tactical ballistic missiles up to 300 miles away, vaporizing enemy positions before they even know they are targeted. Number 11. YJ-12 Supersonic Anti-Ship Missile. The Carrier Killer's Shadow, a blindingly fast missile that leaves enemy warships zero time to react. Weapon type: supersonic anti-ship cruise missile. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: neutralizing hostile surface warships, specifically targeting enemy aircraft carrier strike groups. Key features: screaming through the air at speeds over Mach 3, it flies just meters above the water in a sea-skimming profile. This gives shipboard radars only seconds to respond, and its heavy warhead can cripple large warships with one hit. Number 10. HQ-9B Long-Range SAM. The Dragon's Shield, a long-range air defense system designed to lock down the skies against any intruder. Weapon type: long-range surface-to-air missile system. Country of origin: domestically produced within China, built upon evolved regional and domestic technology. Primary role: denying airspace to hostile fighter jets, bombers, cruise missiles, and drones. Key features: boasting a lethal interception range of up to 180 miles. It utilizes an advanced radar suite capable of tracking and engaging dozens of targets simultaneously, forming an ironclad dome over critical strategic assets. Number 9. Type 99A Main Battle Tank, the king of the battlefield, a top-tier main battle tank packing advanced heavy armor and futuristic tech. Weapon type: main battle tank. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: serving as the armored spearhead to smash enemy armor and secure critical ground territory. Key features: protected by heavy composite armor and explosive reactive armor. It uniquely features an active laser defense system that can blind enemy optical sensors. Its 125mm smoothbore gun can fire both advanced shells and anti-tank guided missiles. Number 8. Z-10 Fierce Thunderbolt, the Flying Apex Predator, a sleek attack helicopter engineered to hunt down enemy tanks and troops. Weapon type: attack helicopter. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: providing close air support and long-range tank hunting capabilities for ground forces. Key features: highly agile and stealthily shaped. It integrates advanced electronic warfare suites and a helmet-mounted sight that controls its nose turret automatically. It carries a heavy payload of AKD-10 anti-tank missile to destroy armor from afar. Number 7. J-16 Multi-Role Strike Fighter, the Flying Arsenal, a heavy twin-engine strike fighter built to deliver immense firepower anywhere in the world. Weapon type: multi-role strike fighter. Country of origin: domestically produced within China, heavily evolved from the Russian Su-30 architecture. Primary role: maintaining air superiority while acting as a heavy bomb truck for precision ground attacks. Key features: known for its massive payload capacity and long operational range, it features an advanced AESA radar and can deploy the deadly PL-15 long-range air-to-air missile, operating seamlessly alongside fifth-generation stealth fighters. Number 6. J-20 Mighty Dragon, the Apex Sky Hunter, a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed to challenge global air dominance. Weapon type: fifth-generation stealth fighter. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: penetrating contested airspace, assassinating high-value aerial assets, and seizing total air control. Key features: China's premier stealth jet. Its unique canard delta wing design and radar-absorbing materials keep it invisible to enemy sensors. It is purpose-built to hunt down enemy early warning aircraft and tankers from extreme ranges, breaking the enemy's network. Number 5. DF-41 Anti-Ship Ballistic Missile, the original carrier killer, a weapon that forced the U.S. Navy to rethink its entire maritime strategy. Weapon type: anti-ship ballistic missile. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: enforcing an anti-access and area denial zone to keep hostile aircraft carriers far away from China's shores. Key features: the world's first operational ballistic missile designed to hit moving warships. It launches into space before raining down at hypersonic speeds, carrying enough kinetic energy and explosive power to tear an aircraft carrier in half with a single strike. Number 4. Type 055 Renhai-Class Destroyer, the Ocean Leviathan, a massive warship that projects the Dragon's power across the global blue waters. Weapon type: guided missile destroyer. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: serving as the flagship of the fleet, providing ultimate fleet air defense and long-range strike capabilities. Key features: displacing over 12,000 tons, this cruiser-sized warship packs an astonishing 112 vertical launch system cells. It fires a lethal mix of anti-air, anti-ship, land attack, and anti-submarine missiles, guided by a state-of-the-art dual-band radar system. Number 3. DF-17 Hypersonic Glide Vehicle, the Unstoppable Spear, a hypersonic weapon that renders modern air defenses completely obsolete. Weapon type: hypersonic glide vehicle. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: bypassing and destroying advanced enemy missile defense networks in the opening minutes of a conflict. Key features: unlike traditional ballistic missiles, the DF-17 skips along the upper atmosphere at speeds exceeding Mach 5. It can perform unpredictable maneuvers during its flight path, making it impossible for any current defense system on Earth to track or intercept. Number 2. Type 096 Ballistic Missile Submarine, the Phantom of the Deep, a nuclear-powered submarine carrying the silent threat of total annihilation. Weapon type: nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. Country of origin: domestically produced within China. Primary role: serving as a continuous, undetectable nuclear deterrent hidden deep within the ocean. Key features: representing China's latest leap in submarine tech, it is vastly quieter than its predecessors, making it nearly impossible to track. It can carry the JL-3 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, capable of striking targets across the globe while remaining safely near home waters. Number 1. DF-41 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, the ultimate doomsday weapon, the crown jewel of the Dragon's arsenal that ensures the world must listen. Weapon type: intercontinental ballistic missile. Country of origin:
domestically produced within China. Primary role: the absolute ultimate nuclear deterrent, guaranteeing a devastating counterstrike capability. Key features: the absolute peak of China's missile technology. It boasts a mind-boggling range of over 9,000 miles, covering every inch of the globe. It carries up to 10 independently targetable thermonuclear warheads, and because it is launched from massive mobile trucks or trains, it is nearly impossible to track or destroy before launch. The DF-41 isn't built to be used, it is built to enforce global stability, a silent warning that challenging the Dragon carries a price no nation can afford to pay.
Special category: Civil-Military Fusion Strategy. The infinite war machine. The ultimate weapon isn't an individual missile, but an industrial engine that never stops. Weapon type: industrial and strategic capability. Country of origin: domestically driven national strategy within China. Primary role: acting as the backbone of the military by seamlessly blending civilian commercial tech with defense manufacturing. Key features: China holds the unique ability to instantly pivot massive civilian factories into military production lines. By feeding commercial breakthroughs in AI, quantum computing, and advanced materials directly to the military, China can mass-produce cutting-edge hardware at a scale and speed no other nation can match, ensuring infinite replenishment in a prolonged conflict. That wraps up the top 20 deadliest weapons of the Chinese military. Which nation's arsenal should we tear down